Then later on, I joined the speed also, and I have studied from the videos, revision videos, and they were so helpful to me. I would like to thank Speed also for helping me out to program my excellence over the. There is a guidance from Speed, I think,
Okay.
which
Great.
catered me to this.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Ashish Kumar Arya for scoring a topmost rank number 6 in MCH Head and Neck Oncology in NEES April 2026. Congratulations, student.
Thank you, sir. Thanks
Can
to
we
your
know,
team.
great. Can we know a brief background from where you started till date? What all you have done?
So basically, I have done my MBBS from AIMS Jodhpur, and after that, I have done my MS from AIMS Delhi, and now I'm thinking of doing a head and neck onco surgery. Let's see where it
Okay.
goes.
So when you got the interest to do an MCH Head and Neck Oncology after going into ENT?
Actually, in AIMS Delhi, it is an integrated program. Head and neck onco surgery is practiced routinely in the ENT department, and our faculties are so good. Routinely, there are cases of head and neck onco, so I developed interest in that. So I thought I always like doing surgeries, which are some major surgeries like dissections and all. So I prefer doing this.
You saw yourself as an MCH fellow there.
Yeah.
Yeah, excellent. So once you decided to do so, what all you did and what all the way you worked to achieve this today?
First of all, I interacted with my MCH seniors and how they got interest and what all the opportunities are there in the future also. And I started going to the head and neck onco OTs, and I learned a lot. And in wards also, we have all the head and neck onco patients. So we routinely see them, how they are operated, how the post-op period is, how they get healed, and follow-up is too good. So I developed interest. Then I started reading from the books itself. Then later on, I joined the speed also, and I have studied from the videos, revision videos, and they were so helpful to me.
Excellent, great. Doctor, how many questions did you attend this exam?
Actually, I attempted 78 out of 80.
The two questions what you did deserve from Ashish is what is that from? Is from ENT or head and neck oncology?
Actually, they are from general surgery.
Oh,
And
my area.
and general surgery is, they were like some MCS level questions, not general surgery part. So I did not attempt with that.
What is the percentage of general surgery? I mean, in that paper of 80, what is the percentage of general surgery? What is the percentage of ENT? What is the percentage of head and neck onco?
I didn't think ENT was there. Head and neck
Approximate.
onco.
Uh,
Head and neck onco was around 60%, and 40% was general surgery part.
oh, not ENT.
I couldn't find any ENT questions in that.
What a twist. So the
So
how you made this 40% of general surgery? Head and neck
actually, I
read actually.
head and neck I have read, but I read didn't go in the depth of general surgery. I read only my UG notes, daily and love notes that I have read, and they
Okay.
helped me in around 50-20 questions. They helped me.
Very good, doctor. What is the message for the future aspirants of MCH and oncology?
For from my side, the message will be ki it is an emerging branch. It is not well established in all of the aims right now, but soon it is starting. In some centers, this year will be the first batch of head and neck onco, and recently the faculties are also getting involved in this. Not they are only not practicing ENT alone. They are going towards the head and neck onco also. So there are a lot of future options. I think so. And with the upcoming research in the cancers and all, there will be a lot opportunities. I think.
Time to thank and whom all you want to thank that they helped you till date in your career.
Um, Obviously, I will like, first of all, I would like to thank my grandparents, parents, my friends, and along with them, my teachers. They helped me a lot. My professors, every time they encouraged me to how to do such spine surgeries and all with such so much precision they do. And I would like to thank Speed also for helping me out to program my excellence over the. There is a guidance from Speed, I think,
Okay,
which
great,
catered me to this.
great. Very happy to see you. I mean, as your person, as a doctor, as a surgeon, worked in ENT department to migrate to a higher specialty that you dreamt of, wanted in the same area, in the same field, and in the same institutions. opportunity has gone into you and you have worked towards it and you have got it. We wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and wonderful and amazing career in head and neck onco surgery. Best wishes to you, Dr. Ashish.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks
Great.
to your team.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir.